I'm now walking on the old railways. On the way in, you can also see the chimney from the old sugar factory. The buildings around me are the former warehouses, but this place is not an old sugar factory anymore. It has been transformed into a place where friends and family can come here to have fun and spend quality time together.
TenDrum Culture Village was an old sugar factory and contains 22 old warehouses built during the Japanese colonial period. In 2005, it was repurposed by TenDrum Art Percussion Group as a way to revitalize the unused space. Here you can immerse yourself in the enthralling rhythms and thunderous sounds of a traditional drum performance.
Can you hear that? They are having a drum lesson. Let's join them. If you are really interested, all visitors can come here and learn how to play this kind of traditional style drum. You can even learn a song within 10 minutes. In the past, this used to be a storage room for sugarcane, but now it has been turned into something really cool. Come with me. This is the chimney slide. From the top to the ground, it only takes 5 seconds. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go! Whoa, it's pretty fast. 5 seconds. Oh, I'm a little dizzy. It's fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's quite fast because it's pretty tall. And 5 seconds to the ground. I enjoyed it. Yeah. Doing. I'm a kangaroo. Doing. Doing. Look, that's a big swing. This is the most famous attraction here. Should we give it a try? At this moment, I want to run. No, I'll be brave. It's a big swing. Well, I just imagine I'm in a park and play the swing. No big deal, right? Let's go. It's high enough! Yeah, ready! Okay.
After experiencing the exhilaration of the massive swing, I decided to wander inside the sugar factory to calm my mind. Each of the old warehouses is uniquely planned with different facilities. You could really spend a whole action-packed day here if you wanted to. As you can see, this is where sugar was manufactured. All the equipment and machines are well preserved.
Whoa, it's pretty high. What's up next?
Hello?
I don't think I can do it. Can I do it? I think you should, if you're brave enough. Come take the challenge. I'm not brave enough. It's so high!
Không con trai, quẹt quanh mà.
No!
Ready?
No!
Ready?
1, 2, 3! Ah! Whirlwind team! Ah! 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 I did it! I did it! I did it! Yay! Woo! Woo! Okay, now it's your turn. I'm at the highest spot where you can overlook the whole park, even Tainan City. Oh, that's the old chimney. Ah, you can even see 𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏 Museum. That's a famous museum in Tainan, but unfortunately we won't have time to visit there this time. Just look around, the beautiful scenery. I really had a great time here. If you come to Tainan, you definitely should visit this place.